Hi guys, so today I will show you how to make a ladybug. So for this I have this empty roll of toilet paper and this black sheet that I have already cut into this measurement 16 by 13.5 centimeters. So 16 is this and 13.5 is this. So I will just take glue with me and just stick on any one side of this black sheet. Just need to roll it and roll to cover it entirely. That's it. So just roll and it's covered now. So next thing that we have to do here is to put these two red things like this. So I have cut it into the size that I wanted for this. So this is 5.5 centimeters from here to here, and this side is, I will show you like this. So this from here to here is 12.5 centimeters, this side and this side. So I already cut into this measurement, and now I will just stick it. But before that, what I can do with the marker to make its black rings here, I can do now, and after that I can stick. Make 3, make 4 rings as you want, make circles as you want. Here also I can make one. Like this I will make same in here also. Just make outline and cover entirely. For this I have taken a black marker, so make sure when you are also making, take a black marker or black pen. So in here I can make one more. So now if this work is done, we'll go to the sticking part now. So to stick it, I will just take my glue with me then, and on one part do just do like that. And just stick it like this. More up, because it should not go beyond this part. Should be, yeah, it's okay. So same here also, just take this and just stick it like this. Put some glue here and then just hold it and stick it like this. And when it's done, we can make eyes. So I have already cut the size that I wanted, and it's very tiny, not so much large. I can show you with scale how much is that. So it's on centimeters, it's 1.5 centimeters. This diameter of the circle is 1.5 centimeters. So just put glue and stick for the eyes part, and take the next also. Just put glue here and do like this. And now for this thing, I have also cut this into the required size. So this is 5 centimeters. The length of this part is 5 centimeters, and width is a tiny little bit, not so much. So just put some glue, not much, a little bit glue, because this part will go inside. And just what you can do, just paste it like this. Take the other one, and just put some glue here, and then just stick it like this. And now we have to make eyes proper, like with the black marker. It should look more like proper eyes. So take marker with you, and take a marker with you and just make eyes. The same size eye here and the same here as well, in both. So make like this circle and just completely color it with black marker or black pen. So our ladybug is ready. So if you want to make a pen stand from it or whatever, so you can just fix the base. You can, it will stand, and you can put some pencils or markers as you want. But now it's like this. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, smash the like button. Please comment also, and please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics, and to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadiq's World. Bye bye.